Guidance and Counseling Semester 2 English Medium Students MCQ Lecture 2. This is Guidance Counseling paper for English Medium School, English Medium Students MCQ Lecture 2. Question number 12. A person deserves guidance in order to develop all the areas of his. The correct option is life. The national feeling is based upon the first option, national harmony, country harmony, national security, communal harmony. The correct option is D. In urban areas, women face first option, occupational problem. Women faces the occupational problem, personal problems, educational problems. So women faces all these three problems. So all of the above, correct option is option D. Main concern of guidance is the optimum enrichment of an individual. The statement is true. So the correct option is option C. Now the next question number 16, based upon the statement. The statement is, or the definition is, guidance is a continuous process of helping the individual to develop to the maximum of his capacity in the direction most beneficial to himself and to society. The correct answer is Emery Stoops. So option C is correct. This is statement made by Emery Stoops. Question number 17. Guidance is a totality of experiences. The statement is true. Next question number 18. Guidance service can control the problem of indiscipline. The statement is true. So the correct option is A. Educational process is not a very comprehensive process. The statement is false. The correct option is option B. The need of guidance is divided into. The correct option is 3 parts. The need of guidance is divided into 3 parts. And so the correct option is C. And these 3 parts are given. First is philosophical basis of guidance. Second is psychological basis of guidance. And third is sociological basis of guidance. Next question number 21. Guidance is to help us to apply old psychological insights into the nature of the individual. The correct option is false. The statement is false. It is not correct. Next question. Need for guidance is inherent in the very nature of human life. So the correct option is B. Question number 23. Guidance is intended to enable an individual to help him understand himself. The correct option is option A, because this statement is true. Question number 24. Education has to prepare individuals for first option, self-realization. Second option, for civil responsibility. Third option, for economic efficiency. So all these 3 are correct. So the correct option is option D, that is all of the above. Question 25th. Guidance is based on democratic principles. This statement is true. So the correct option is option B. Next question. Guidance work should be closely integrated with the work done by other agencies engaged in. First option is vocational guidance. Second is incidental activity. Third is child development. Fourth is none of the above. But here the correct option is child development. So the option C is correct. Guidance enables the administrator to make the best use of the first option resources, second is energy, third is money and time, and fourth is all of these. So all of these is correct, so the option D is correct. Hence guidance enables the administrator to make the best use of all of the above. Next question and last question of this lecture 2. Question number 28. A guidance program needs the services of qualified and trained counselor. The correct answer is true, because this statement is correct. A guidance program needs the services of qualified and trained counselor. So for guiding, the counselor must be trained. So the correct option is option C. So this is all about English medium students MCQ lecture 2. Please subscribe the channel and like the channel. Thank you.